In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Google Chrome Auto Sign-In. If you've ever opened Chrome and noticed it automatically connects your browser profile to a Google account just because you signed in on a Google site like Gmail or YouTube, this guide is for you. Turning off Auto Sign-In gives you more control over your browser profile, your sync settings, and your privacy, especially if you share a device or switch between personal and work accounts. Start by opening Google Chrome. Make sure you're in a regular window so all settings are visible. Next, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots, often called the More or Menu button. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This will open a new tab with Chrome settings. On the left side, select You and Google. This section controls how your Google account interacts with Chrome itself, separate from being signed in on individual websites. Now click Sync and Google Services. This is where Chrome keeps the options that connect account features with the browser. Find the switch labeled Allow Google Sign In. In some versions, this may appear as Allow Chrome Sign In, but it's the same idea. Turn this setting off. Disabling it prevents Chrome from automatically signing you into the browser when you sign into a Google website. In other words, logging into a site like Gmail won't silently attach your entire Chrome profile to that account. Your website logins still work normally, and you can still sign into sites as needed, but the browser itself won't link your profile unless you choose to do so manually. A few quick tips. If you don't immediately see the option, use the search box at the top of the settings page and type sign in. Look for the toggle that mentions allowing Chrome or Google sign in and turn it off there. If you're on a work or school device, this setting might be managed by your administrator and you may see a note indicating it's controlled. In that case, you won't be able to change it yourself. Once the switch is off, that's it. The change takes effect right away. No restart is typically required. From now on, if you sign in on a Google website, Chrome won't automatically link your browser profile. You stay in control of when and whether the browser signs in and syncs. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, take a moment to check your other privacy and sync preferences in the same section so your browser behaves exactly the way you want.